The basic structure of the Government of India. The Government of India, also known as the GOI and also known as the Union of India, according to Article 300 of Indian Constitution, is modelled after the Westminster system for governing the state. The Union government is mainly composed of the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary, in which all powers are vested by the Constitution in the Prime Minister, Parliament, and the Supreme Court. The President of India is the head of the state and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of India, while the elected Prime Minister acts as the head of the executive and is responsible for running the Union government. The Parliament is bicameral in nature, with the Lok Sabha being the lower house and the Rajya Sabha the upper house. The judiciary systematically contains an apex Supreme Court, 25 high courts, and several district courts, all inferior to the Supreme Court. The basic civil and criminal laws governing the citizens of India are set down in major parliamentary legislation such as the Civil Procedure Code, the Penal Code, and the Criminal Procedure Code. Similar to the Union government, individual state governments each consist of executive, legislative, and judiciary. The legal system as applicable to the Union and individual state governments is based on the English common and statutory law. The full name of the country is the Republic of India. India and Bharat are equally official short names for the Republic of India in the Constitution, and both names appear on legal banknotes, in treaties, and in legal cases. The terms Union Government, Central Government, and Bharat Sarkar are often used officially and unofficially to refer to the Government of India. The term New Delhi is commonly used as a metonym for the Union Government, as the seat of the government is in New Delhi. The Legislature of the Government of India. The powers of the legislature in India are exercised by the Parliament, a bicameral legislature consisting of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Of the two houses of Parliament, the Rajya Sabha, or the Council of States, is considered to be the upper house and consists of members appointed by the President and elected by the state and territorial legislatures. The Lok Sabha, or the House of People, is considered the lower house. The Parliament does not have complete control and sovereignty, as its laws are subject to judicial review by the Supreme Court. However, it does exercise some control over the executive. The members of the Council of Ministers, including the Prime Minister, are either chosen from Parliament or elected thereto within 6 months of assuming office. The Council as a whole is responsible to the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is a temporary house and can be dissolved only when the party in power loses the support of the majority of the house. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and can never be dissolved. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a 6-year term.